Welcome to Salesforce training videos from SPTech. SPTech is Salesforce consulting services based in Atlanta, Georgia. In this module, I'm going to demonstrate how you can create object-specific quick action. So if I go to account object and open any record, so at top right corner, you can see various buttons are listed here, right? So if you want to create any action, like if you want to create any employee record, because employee is child of this account. So if you want to create that employee record through a button click, not from the related list, so you can create a quick action. So let me show you how we can do that. So you just need to jump to account manager and you need to select the object, and from here button links and action, then click on new action. Now from here you will be selecting action type, so I'm selecting as create a record. Then target object will be employee. If target object is having any record types, so those will be available here. So in previous module I created record type, so that's why this is available. And here I need to provide label, so I'm providing label as full-time employee. So by clicking on save, this button will be created, and then I need to create the page layout. So the required fields will be available automatically, and rest you can place as per the requirement. So I'm dragging and dropping these fields and clicking on save. So this is basically layout of this quick action. Now here, if you go and search for that, so here it is full-time employee. It is created for creating a new employee record that is of full-time employee record type. Now, after creation of this quick action, now you can go and open the account layout. And in this layout, we have two things, quick action and mobile and lightning action. So if you are working in classic, so you will be selecting this quick action. But if you are working in lightning, so you will select mobile and lightning action. Now here you can search for full-time. And so if you first time put any button here, so you need to enable this and drag and drop it and save this. So this way, what we did till now, we created an action, we configured its page layout, and then we placed that action on the account page layout. Now I can move to UI. So that button will be available on each records, each account, sorry, each account record. So here you can see full-time employees available. If I open any other record, so here also this full-time employee is available. If I click on this, so you will see details are available here, and organization is by default populated because organization is lookup to account. Now here I'm providing employee name, then certain phone numbers, then I can choose working days. So let's say David works for Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and department is HR, and I'm clicking on save. Okay, so please populate employee salary, it cannot be negative. So now in one of the module, I created one validation rule. So that's why I need to place salary field as well on this layout. So this way you need to test it, like after creation of action, it is working properly or not. So now how I will be doing that, I need to open that action again, and I need to drag and drop phone field on the layout. So I'm just opening this, clicking on edit layout, and okay, I need to search for salary, not phone. So I'm dragging and dropping it, clicking on save. Now again, I'm doing a refresh. So this time salary field will be available on the layout. So that error won't come. So it is not reflected. We need to do multiple refreshes. Yes, now it is available. So employee name David, random phone number, then working days, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, department HR, and salary 100,000, and save. So now it will be saved automatically. And if we go to related list, so here you can see one employee record is available here. So if I open 11, because 11 is the latest. So here you can see name is David and everything is available. And if I go here, all records are selected. So you can see 11th is the latest one. So this way, if you want to create any action that is object specific, so you can do it with the help of this demonstration. If you are based in USA and looking to start or advance your career with Salesforce, please reach out to us at hr@sptechusa.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Salesforce training videos. Thank you.